Okay, so I know I said I would post every Saturday, and it's Saturday, and I haven't posted anything. Well, the day of I'm recording this, I haven't posted anything yet. So I wanted to guys, I wanted to let you guys know that if I don't post Saturday at 11 a.m., if a video doesn't go up at that time, expect one either later that day or on Sunday or Monday, because noticed a lot of the time I'll completely space it with uploading. I'll completely forget to record anything. So by the time it comes to Saturday, I'm like, oh crap, I forgot to record something. So I just wanted to make that clear to you guys. If you don't see a video go up Saturday 11 a.m. Mountain Time, then expect one either Sunday or Monday or later on the Saturday. So I'm just letting you guys know that. And anyway, let's get into the video. So if you guys you can't notice already, my camera is wiggling a little bit. That is because today I wanted to show you guys where I record and what I record with and stuff like that. So the recording stuff that I use is I literally just use my phone, which is an LG G8 Thin Q. And then I use a mini tripod that I got off of Amazon. And then I record my stuff on a little table. This is my knee right here, and it's smaller. It's smaller than where my knee is. I literally just sit on this little thing right here, and it's literally just one of those, it has stuff in it. It has Legos in it, but it usually sits over here, but I bring it over here to record. And then under the table, I have all my Rubik's Cubes and stuff right there. Over here, this is where I put my mat, this is where I have my tape, and then I have my timer right here, I have this band right here, and then I usually put I put the mat in here, and then this drawer, I just put all my 3x3s. I have in here the Yushin Little Magic 3x3, the Yushin Little Magic M 3x3, and then a cheap key that I got off of Amazon that it's really loud and old and stuff like that. And then I have down here, I just have a Speed Cube Shop bag, and then I have different lubes and tools, adjustment tools down here in this box. And then, yeah, that's basically it. That's what I use to record. And then I just set my phone up right about there, turn it down, and then I record. I think the hardest part right now about it is that since the table's so small, I have to lean over, and that creates a shadow when I have this light on right here. So I have this light off right now. And then, yeah, you guys don't see any of, any of this or this, because I make it very clear where I'm recording. But, yeah, that's where I record, and I still have a butt ton of time, so it's only 3 minutes, so, yeah, I guess I'll show you guys some stuff. But, yeah, this is all you guys see when I start recording, and what I just showed you is what I do, or where I'm at. But, so, cube that's gonna be used in this, I don't really want to use my RS3M. This is the MoU RS3M 2020. Very good cube, actually. It's very, very good quality, but I'm going to be using the Yushin Little Magic M today. So, I guess I'll show you guys, what algorithms are worth learning, I guess. So, 2-look PLL. Not worth learning. I would go 1-look PLL. I learned 2-look PLL, and it takes so much time off solves and stuff like that. So 2-look PLL is a no-go. 1-look PLL, I would just memorize the algorithms from that, and you should be good. Another way you can learn algorithms efficiently or learn the cube efficiently is if you're like solving, and let's say you run onto like a T-perm a lot of the time when you're doing last layer. If you run into T-perm a lot and you don't know the algorithm for it, so you're just doing like a random, like, I don't know, algorithm for it, then that would be a good way to know, okay, I should learn the algorithm for this. And once you learn it, it's good to go. And then another one that I ran into a lot was a Y-perm. I don't know why I ran into the Y-perms a lot, I just ran into them, and usually they would be like this, to where I would look at it and the colors would be like all winky and stuff like that. But if I look at this, there's a bar right here and a bar over here. That's 2 bars right there. 1 different square. And usually on your first solve, this is pretty hard to... recognition is pretty hard to learn. So, I guess another way you can learn it is if... So, like I said, if you run into it a lot, that's another way. What I meant is another thing that you can... Okay, here's another thing. Here's a little trick to learn algorithms faster, I guess. Let's do that. If you want to learn an algorithm really fast, I remember learning PLL, JPerm, which is... it looks like this. And I learned that algorithm in, I think, just under a minute. It was like half a minute. It was like 30 seconds. But basically, a good way to do it is just do the algorithm repeatedly over and over again. And then once you feel like you've gotten it down, then try and not look at the algorithm and just try and do it on your own, and soon enough the muscle memory will develop really fast. So yeah, those are just some tips and my setup, I guess. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, subscribe. I do content like this all the time. It's just basically what the channel's around is Rubik's Cubes. So yeah, see you guys next Saturday.